Zebec has had a massive quarter, and we're going to be talking all about it. In today's video, guys, we're talking about all things Zebec and ZBCN token because honestly, it's one of those underdog cryptos, underdog altcoins that I believe is going to have some massive upside when the bull market does come again. And the best time to be buying these cryptos, guys, is not when we're in a bull market. It's at times like this, the accumulation years, and 2026 is that accumulation year. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day. Stay until the end of this video. If you like what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button. With that being said, guys, let's get straight into today's video. We're taking a look at Zebec, whatever you guys want to call it, in the last 24 hours, down about 2.26%, kind of moving sideways. In the month, guys, down about 19%. So it has taken a little bit of a fall within the last month, but when you really and truly zoom out, every single crypto has fallen. Even Bitcoin and Ethereum, they've hit new lows. Bitcoin hit a new low for the year. Ethereum hit a new low for the year. And markets have been looking extremely, extremely rough. And I'm here to kind of give you guys a little bit more reassurance to let you know that, hey, listen, things like this, these conditions in the market, they're not going to last forever. We see the cycles happen time and time again. And for the people who say that the cycles are invalidated or the cycles are no longer there, listen, you have been wrong time and time again, and we're going to see this play out the exact same way we've seen the cycles play out as we always have. Okay, so for the people back in February, back in May, March, April, May, around that time, a lot of people were saying, February was the bottom for Bitcoin, that it's not going to go any lower, and the markets proved them wrong, and that's what the crypto markets do. They're going to prove people wrong. One thing I will say, guys, is when the entire crypto market their narrative sways to one side, usually the opposite happens. So you always want to kind of be contrarian. There's a time to be contrarian, and I think that time was when Bitcoin was, at $75,000. A lot of people were like, oh, the bottom is already in. And when people think that way, you kind of want to be a little bit careful. Now, when we take a look at ZBCN token, you can see this one didn't really get to the lows of February, and I think mainly because ever since this happened, right, the low in February, we did have 100% of ZBCN tokens in circulation. I think that happened in March, and it's fully deflationary as well. And Q2 was absolutely monstrous for Zebec, which is why we rallied up this high in April, right? We basically got to 400 million, and in my opinion, any entry into ZBCN that's sub $400 million market cap is a good entry. From the recent low that we made, the local low at around 214 million, we are up about 7 to 10%. Not too shabby, and in my opinion, guys, any entry to ZBCN under $300 million market cap is a very phenomenal entry. Now, obviously, this is not financial advice, but guys, one thing I do want to say is if you guys want to know exactly when I get into these cryptos, when I buy, when I sell, you want to make sure that you are part of my private Discord group. This is called my inner circle. Now, I've had people in there who have absolutely crushed it. I'm just going to show you guys over here. One guy made 20K in a month. Another one of my students, 25K in just 2 months from $300. Another guy turned his last $10 in his wallet in 3 weeks to over 5K. Now, past profits don't guarantee future results, but this is what being inside of a community could do for you, especially when you're around people who have been crushing it for a while. I was able to retire from my full-time job just last year thanks to crypto. So if you guys are looking for my buy and sell calls, exclusive content that you can't find anywhere else, as well as weekly live streams that we do inside of the inner circle every single Wednesday, click the link down below. What are you guys waiting for? Now let's keep going, guys, because there's so much news that I've recently come out for ZBCN. I kind of want to start with this. Most people completely missed out on one of the biggest Zebec announcements of the year. This wasn't another partnership headline, it was execution. European workers are now participating in a pilot using regulated euro stablecoins for payroll on Stellar powered by Zebec. Here's what many investors overlook. Every crypto project has a different timeline. A project building global payroll infrastructure won't move on the same schedule as a meme coin or consumer app. Obviously, right? That's a given. These guys have real utility. They need to go through real regulation, and that is something that they are doing. A project building global payroll. Anyways, one of the biggest questions you should ask before investing is this token actually required for the ecosystem to function, or is it just along for the ride? And that's something that I've always been saying. An altcoin is not going to do well if it has good tech, if it has good use case, but the token is not needed for that crypto to do well. That's one reason I'm bullish on Zebec, while also investing in other crypto projects with different catalysts and timelines. Now let's take a look at some of the highlights that they smashed for Q2. Q2 2026 was Zebec's biggest quarter yet, with major enterprise wins and product milestone across the board. Zebec Enterprise went live on Stellar and all Unity stable, selected Zebec to power Europe's first on-chain government benefits program. Again, kind of what the other post was highlighting. Absolutely massive. Zebeg's super app cleared regulatory review and was submitted to the Apple App Store and Google Play. New assets were added across our products: USD1, TGBP, and Dash. WL5 Markets, World Liberty Financial, launched in the super app, bringing institutional grade lending and liquidity. Card and payment support expanded over to base. 15 billion CBCN has been staked with more than 100,000 holders, and they have hosted 5 Zebec spaces, reaching 135,000 combined listeners. Card and payroll volumes continue to grow steadily. And again, Simon, their CEO, took the main stage at XRP Las Vegas, which was massive. And we showcased Zebec Enterprise as Circle's Alliance program booth during Consensus Miami. Momentum continues as we expand across more chains, enterprises, and digital currencies. Again, guys, these guys are blowing it. They're killing it right now, and I wouldn't be surprised if in a couple months to when Bitcoin does finally bottom out, if this isn't going to be a crypto that smashes into the billions of dollars in market cap. One thing to look out for is the peak that it reached. Now, this high that it hit was back in May of 2025. $567 million market cap, which even from here is only about a 60% gain, or sorry, 147% gain, okay? We are not down that much from previous all-time highs. There's a lot of other altcoins out there that is going to take, a 3x, a 4x, a 5x, some of them even a 10x to get back to all-time high levels. And this chart shows you right now that Zebec, right, is holding up relatively well considering where we are in this market right now. Because like I was saying, a lot of these other altcoins, they're going to need, multiple X's to get back to previous all-time high levels. Whereas with Zebec, right, just a 2.5X gets you very close to all-time high levels. And this isn't even breaking $1 billion market cap. This is still significantly lower than $1 billion market cap. It's actually 2X lower than $1 billion market cap. So it goes to show you, from a risk to reward standpoint, ZBCN token is actually positioning itself very well. Now, I would like to preface this video and kind of tell you guys, listen, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only on here and I talk about cryptos that I think will do well. I'm not here to give you guys financial advice. I'm only here to entertain and to educate you. And if that's worked, then hey, amazing. If you stayed until the end of this video, subscribe, guys. Help me get to 20,000 subscribers. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys are watching the World Cup, comment down below which team you're supporting, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all, and peace out.